Habari Gani, everyone. What's the news? Happy Weather Wherever Wednesday. Today in April, we are talking about Old Farmer's Almanac 2025. This is a book that my Southern Indigenous Coalition friends have been promoting, and we've been learning a lot. So, April 16th, 2025, let's get it on and popping. So, y'all know it's been a lot of crazy weather these past few weeks. This has been a lot of intense weather. We've had a lot of storms, tornadoes. Hope you all are doing okay. We have been seeing record heat, record winter temperatures. It's been pretty crazy. Left and right, we've had records all over the country. So I was wondering how we could get ahead of the weather, and that led me to learning about the Old Farmer's Almanac, which actually gives you a lot of information on astrology. It connects gardening to the moon cycle, it connects the weather, it connects a lot of sustainability and best practices for people that just want to learn about weather and the environment, and a lot of different products that are available, like solar power and different things that we can get in touch with being connected with nature, which is one of my missions with Drums, Drones, and Dreams. So, speaking of the moon, we have the pink moon that just showed up, and this says the full moon was called the pink moon because it heralded the appearance of the moss pink or wild ground phlox, one of the first spring flowers. So that has to do with the pink moon. Then there's other astrology days, like best days you should do things, best days you should quit smoking, best days you should bake, best days of doing different things. So there's a big calendar, all of the months and different days of when you should lay shingles, when you should paint, wash windows, wash your floors, go camping. So these are different things that I would love to get in touch with. Opportune times are created every day. The moon, as we know, Moon Day or Monday. We have Mars for Tuesday. We have Mercury, which goes in line with me doing my Weather Wherever Wednesdays, because Mercury is the day for communication. So, and then we also have different articles that come up that are real good. So one of the other articles is connecting with the moon and doing a sky watch. So apparently coming up, we'll have Mercury coming up. So this upcoming event, in the east at dawn, Venus moves higher each morning, shining at a maximum brilliance of magnitude 4.8. At around 5:30 a.m. from the 19th to the 30th, very low Mercury and Saturn are seen below blazing Venus. The waning crescent moon joins the trio of planets on the 25th to the left of Saturn, above Mercury, with Venus higher than them all. And then it shows us when the first quarter moon will be, the full moon, which we just had the 12th day, and the last quarter moon, 20th day, and the new moon on the 27th day. So there are different articles and different opportune times, and especially with me understanding the weather, one of the main things that they talk about are the solar cycle 25, also the oscillations. Like, in addition to expecting a neutral INSO, the El Nino Southern Oscillation, or even the La Nina, a warm Atlantic multi-decadal oscillation, and a cool Pacific decadal oscillation. We're also watching solar activity and equatorial stratospheric winds, known as the quasi-biennial oscillation. Some or all of these factors may cause the polar vortex to displace southward this winter, releasing added cold shots into North America. So we're also looking at spring temperatures to be above normal from the Atlantic coast in northern Florida up into the Appalachian. Eastern Great Lakes and Eastern Ohio Valley, from the Deep South and Texas, Oklahoma up into the Heartland and Upper Midwest, from the High Plains and Intermountain West into the Pacific Northwest, and in Alaska and Eastern Hawaii. They will be near to below normal elsewhere. Skies will be drier than normal in New England and southern Florida, from the western Ohio Valley and lower Great Lakes into the northern upper Midwest, from the southern plains into the Heartland and northern High Plains, and along much of the Pacific coast, and near to wetter than normal everywhere else. So a synopsis you'll see here, and you can see how it explains summer, how we just had winter, and then the summer. So I want to wrap it up here. I appreciate you all listening. I know sometimes with TikTok and all these different places we have very fast videos, but just wanted to read a couple articles and highlight the Old Farmer's Almanac, which was suggested to me from the Southern Indigenous Coalition, where we do a lot of campaigning, we do a lot of community service projects, a lot of events. Like we just had the sneaker ball a couple weeks ago for the children, giving away different prizes and whatnot, and doing a lot with the environment, learning sustainability through Black Sustainability Network and Black Achievement Fund. So if you want to connect with us and lend a hand, we've definitely got something for you. We got 8 acres of land, which is connected to another 94 acres of land with the Black Achievement Fund in Southern Georgia. So hey, give me a call, give me a message, drumsanddrones.com. Peace.